Go to vercel.com/domains. You'll see a search bar with the heading, Find a domain for the next viral idea. Type your desired domain name into the search field. Vercel will run instant availability checks and show you which domains are available along with their pricing. Once the search results appear, select the domain you want to purchase from the list. When you select one, the purchase flow begins and you'll see the pricing displayed. You'll now review the domain details. This shows the domain name, the price, and the registration length, typically 1 year by default. You can select how many years you want to register the domain for. Next, fill in the contact information form. This includes your first name, last name, email, address, city, state, or province, postal code, country, and phone number. If you use the same email address as your Vercel account, the information gets confirmed automatically. If you use a different email, you'll need to verify it later. Some domain extensions require additional contact details. Check the Wiz privacy. Setting it should be enabled by default when you buy through Vercel, as long as your domain extension supports it. This keeps your contact information private in the public Wiz database. When everything looks good, select the Purchase button at the bottom of the form to confirm and process the payment. You'll see a payment processing screen, then a confirmation. If you used a different email address than your Vercel account, check your inbox for a verification email from Vercel. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm your registrant information. If you don't confirm it, your domain could be suspended. Once the purchase goes through, your domain will appear in the Domains section of your dashboard. If it's still processing, it'll show a pending status. The name servers are automatically configured for you, so you don't need to set up any DNS records manually. All renewals, including the domain and SSL certificate, are handled automatically by Vercel. To assign your new domain to a project, select the project, go to Settings, then Domains, and add your domain there.